Right, this is another wee project I've taken on. It's a 2016 Derbi Senda. It's an eBay purchase. The chap said the engine seized. The plastics are buggered. It's turning out that there's no compression. I was going to start taking the panels off. I've still got that other one on the go. There's a lot of good bits about this bike. I quite like the alloy wheels for a wee change. The fork tubes are totally knackered. This must be a crap manufacturing, because that other one, that Aprilia Rx50 is the same. I'm waiting on parts for that. So I'm going to whip off the plastics and see what I can find. They said this display is not working, so that's had it. It's supposed to be a new chain. Somebody's taking a dislike to the chain guard, but it looks at that's had a bit of a wallop. So there's a lot of good points about it. One of the better ones, I think. Right, I've stuck another battery on, and this display seems to be working. Indicators are even working. Horn's working. I've tried starting it, there's no compression, so that's going to be an engine strip. Right, I'll get the panels off. Right, that's the panels off. It's looking not too bad. The engine's going to have to get stripped. I was just comparing it with the Rx50. And I would say definitely the Rx50 is a better bike. I think that's the more expensive version of this thing. But still a good bike, like. It's basically the same. I do like the wheels. The wheels are nearly good clean up. That's a sort of all-in-one master cylinder. You've got the fluid reservoir as well, so that's a good thing. You've got the speed sensor on the back. The forks have definitely had it. It's got a big bore kit on it. Right, I'm going to whip this. The wiring looks not too bad. At least it looks in one piece up here. This battery's been leaking, so that's going to have to get cleaned up. A bit of bling. That'll be getting put in the bin. That's not too bad. I've seen worse put that way. That's my biggest concern there. Gonna have to straighten that up and weld it. Not bad. I think I should just get a complete set of plastics. That's already had. They're no original Derbi plastics. They're not stamped, so that alone for Piaggio, that's 60 odd quid, so that there, that's had it. That's had a fair thump. Another bucket of shit. Just got the top end stripped off, and it's knackered. That looks Somebody spent a bit of money on this. That looks a good crank. That's not a cheap crankshaft. And this, oh, the platings came off that. So that's bucket material. I reckon that's about an 80cc. So just out of curiosity, that's the one that just came off the Derbi, and that was the one I stripped off a few weeks ago of the RX, the Aprilia Rx50. You see a difference in the size of the bores. That's 47. See that? That's 49. Just looking at that as well, that looks like the standard Derbi carburetors on it, so I always thought you had to put a bigger carb on, so obviously that's been jetted to suit. So that's, you're not going to get the right performance out of that if you've still got that wee carburetor, I wouldn't think. Well, that's the carburetor off, it's a wee Dell'Orto, and it's 19mm. So, is that, I don't know if that's a standard carburetor or not. It's usually 21, the PHB 21mm I put on after a rebuild.